Hi everyone, I'm gonna tell you about my ideas to solve this challenge. First, this is a wireframe with an idea about the design. It's an idea simple and easy to use. First, the user can see their balance, the different accounts with the principal information, and a section with the spending with different categories. Regarding the technical stack, I suggest to work with a relational database like PostgreSQL because in the financial industry is so important the consistency. And PostgreSQL provides consistency, provides excellent performance for aggregation operation and complex calculations. That is so important to create the financial dashboard. For backend, I suggest to work with Java 17 because Java is a robust language that provides security and has a large community to support. Also, Java has a good framework such as Spring, and we can create the project easily with the Spring Boot and simplifies a lot configuration. For communication with the database, we can work with Spring Data and SQL. Also, we can have in mind the importance of security because we have work with sensible data. So I suggest to work with Spring Security to protect the endpoints and JWT for the authentication. Additionally, I work with Lombok because we can avoid to write repetitive code like getter and setter. And handler controller, I think is a good idea too because we can have consistency in the errors in that we send to the front end. And Swagger is a good idea for documentation and is easily to implement in the API REST. About front-end, I suggest to work with React because this library is useful to reuse code through components, and React have easy communication with REST APIs through Fetch or Axios and has a large community like Java. The most important thing is React is actively maintained by important companies like Meta and integrates very well with Material UI and React Bootstrap. Um, Actually, I inspired in both libraries to create the design, and I think it's a good idea to mix both because we can use the flexibility to do change with Bootstrap, and we can work with Material UI for good components like, for example, in this case, we can create the transaction tables with material because has the youthful paginations. About real time, we don't have to work with automatically updates, so we can get update data each time the user refresh or enter the page. Because of that, we can work the communication by REST API. So that those my ideas about this solve this challenge. Thank you so much.